Hi, this week's topic is Trademark 101. What is a trademark and what can your small business do to protect its trademark? A trademark is a piece of your intellectual property portfolio that protects your company name, logo, and slogan. The purpose of a trademark is to prevent consumer confusion. So having a trademark shows consumers that the goods or services that they are getting come from your business and not another business. So trademarks are important to prevent confusion and competition and set yourself apart from other businesses in your industry. So do you have to register your trademark? No, you actually don't have to. Like a copyright, there are some inherent rights. They're not as strong as copyrights, but if you can show that your trademark has become recognizable for consumers in both your industry and your geographic area, then you can claim first use of it and protect against later entrants into your market from using a mark that is confusingly similar to yours. In this case, you can use TM next to your logo, slogan, or company name, but you cannot use registered because it is not registered. Also, by not registering, you are not putting anyone else on notice, so until you don't have protection until you have brand recognition. And again, it's only in your geographic area and does not cover the entire United States. So registering is a good idea. To register, you go to the United States Patent and Trademark Office, commonly referred to as the USPTO, and fill out an application that has an example of your mark, describes any distinguishing characteristics such as typeface, color, if there's sound involved. And you fill out the application, you pay a fee, and then you tell the PTO what class of company you are and what industry you serve. Now, taking a step back, can you register any mark? No. So the point is to prevent consumer confusion. So you can't just register your name in Times New Roman or a very simple drawing. The smiley face would be an example, except that actually is a registered trademark. So backing up, what does your mark need to be? It needs to be unique. It needs to be something that's different from other things that are out there, especially those in your industry. Second, it needs to be strong. Marks that are simple, just graphic, pictorial, simple fonts are not strong. Arbitrary and fanciful marks are considered to be stronger, and you are better off choosing a mark that falls into that category. And third, you have to be using your mark in commerce. In the United States, you cannot pre-register a trademark. You have to wait until you have actually started your business and started selling goods or services to consumers before you can register your trademark. But if you have those three things, file with the USPTO and determine your class. The USPTO uses the 45 international classes, and within each class there are a number of different industries. It's very important to drill down to what your specific industry is, because the USPTO does not want to give trademark protection that is too broad, that would prevent other businesses that are not related to yours from using a mark that is similar to yours. So, like with business entities, you do not have to use an attorney to file your trademark. However, you run the risk of it not getting done correctly, and you will have paid the money and not gotten your trademark. So using a trademark attorney is a really great way to help you frame your application and write it in a way that increases the likelihood of your mark becoming registered. Also, it's a really good idea to register your trademark earlier on. Once you have a logo, slogan, or company name that you feel comfortable using and you feel like is setting your brand apart, it's time to register that trademark. The process can take 6 to 9 months, and so getting it sooner than later can help give you a leg up when other companies come into your industry and your areas trying to use something that looks a lot like your brand. So feel free to reach out to me here on Instagram via messaging, any of my other social media at schaffnerpllc.com, or via email kelsey@schaffnerpllc.com. Sorry, my social media is just schaffnerpllc.